What is going on YouTube? Back again with another great video. Today we will be installing something great. And if you can't already tell, which is already on my Instagram, we have went and picked up some carbon fiber fenders that have a 10mm extension for the wheel well from Carbon Plug. You guys go ahead and go check him out. He sells all the carbon stuff for your cars and needs. Just hit him up. If they don't have it, they'll go ahead and probably make you something custom. Right now, Adam's been super excited. He already started working on it. He's already started taking off bolts. But it's really, really easy to take off these fenders for the 350Z. As you can see, I've been having some issues over here with rubbing, and we got some rust going on down here. But hey, mainly all you have to really do is there's going to be one bolt here, which Adam has removed. There's going to be another bolt here. We'll probably have to take off the side skirt to get to the bottom screws that go on the bottom. And yeah, we're going to make this car look right. Then we got another bolt following right here. Let me try to get this to focus. But it's right there that you're going to take off. Pointed this bolt here in the door. And other than that, it's a pretty simple install. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure, also by the way, if you guys like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Please hit the subscribe button to watch more content on my channel. Let's get it. Look at the precision, guys. Look at Adam's precision. It's going crazy right now. I'm just getting things done. I haven't touched one thing yet.
Have the whole fender off.
You can have the whole fender off. I haven't done anything yet. Ooh, I'm gonna need a screwdriver to take that off. All right, so we've gotten all the bolts off the fender practically. We're just trying to get to taking off the bolts on the side skirt, which is right here. All the bolts are underneath the car, so all you have to really do is just get a 10mm, or you can even use a flathead to take off most of the bolts, as you see Adam doing right now. I believe it's like 6 bolts. If not, it's not more than 10. And then you just pry off the side skirt after you get them off. Really easy. Not even really a jack required. If you might need one if your jacking point kind of bent in towards your side skirt. Other than that though, it's about to come off. All right. Got the side skirt off. Show you guys what it looked like. All the way down. Next, we're just taking off the last 2 fender bolts that are right here. This fender should come right off, but we have to take off the bumper too. And that's it. All right, my boy Adam putting on the screws again. Oh, hold on now. Oh, what did I miss? What did I miss? Thor. Yeah, got the fender pretty much almost on. Headlight is a little bit off, but hey, it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool.
Well, this shit ain't got no time.
Look good. Look good. Alright, the first problem that we had an issue with was kind of fitment, but that's with all fenders. These are aftermarket and custom made. It's not something that's molded straight from the factory of Nissan. So, I mean, it wasn't even that bad. Just pulling some tugging things around. My car already was in some type of bad shape. It's dark over here in my head. Ow! But, yeah. We're getting that done. We're going to get the next side done, and we'll show you guys what happens afterwards because it's taking some time. Alright, we've pretty much just finished up. It's been a couple hours getting fitment as close as possible. It's not absolutely the best, but it's very, very close. It actually fits better than what the fenders were before. That's the car you hear as of right now. Adam's driving. I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking. I'm excited and show you what we've done. Throw the fenders out. We had to raise the car a little bit to get some clearance.
It's raised up. You pull a lot.
They're not expensive. already changed one, and it's easy to change. Especially I don't really took off both of them. So we gotta test out fitment. Try full lock.
Come look on this side now that I'm planted over here.
I think it's good, but I recommend raising it later.
Yeah.
This side has good clearance. It's that side.
Go. That's good.
I think it touched a little bit. You hear me? Adam, do that thing one more time where you turned full lock and was driving. Alright, probably gonna raise it just a little bit more on Tuesday. So far we're done. The one issue, which is probably on my part, is the fitment on this door is not that great. It's kind of has a gap to it. If we brought it out more out here, it would be less noticeable, but there is a gap. Try to figure out how to fix that. But on this side, what if I just did that? Just almost falls. Whoa! Adam finna get up out of here. Everyone say bye to Adam. Oh, bye bye. Ooh, ooh. Look at that double in.
Fast guy.
Plus 500. Ooh, it's just clean though. My car would never. My car would never. Baby Yoda or nothing. Alrighty. Bye bye. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. I'm going skating tonight, so I'm gonna hurry up, rush back, get in some clean clothes because I stink working on this all day, and pretty much enjoy the rest of my Sunday. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, because I'm definitely gonna enjoy my time editing it. And like I said before, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button somewhere on this screen, not on this screen, but on that desktop, that mobile phone you're using, that laptop, that dinosaur, that brick, or that toaster. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, love you guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end.